students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online class organized by South Point English Boarding School. Today we are gathered here for class 9. Class 9. Our subject is EPS aid, Environment Aid and Population Aid. Unit 2.3. Students, as usual, we know that we have discussed about our unit 1, that is population, environment and education, their interrelationships. Earlier day we also described about demography. Now our topic is the factors affecting population change. Population change, size of population, number of population is going to be changed, that is factor affecting population change. Students, there are mainly three factors which affect our size of population. These are here birth, death and migration. So students, these all factors are also affecting by other factors, and today we are going to discuss about our birth. So the birth means janma. So there are different factors which affect population change, and one of them is birth. Birth means janma. So birth is natural phenomenon. There are different factors which affect birth. Where there is high birth rate, high birth leads high fertility. Because where there is high birth, there is fertility rate is also going to be high. High fertility rate. So students, which factors affect our birth? Why people compare to more birth? Why people bear more child? What are the factors which affect the birth? We are going to discuss today. So students, list it. I am going to draw a chart here. List it. Factor affecting birth. There are mainly three factors. First, social factors. In social factors, firstly, illiteracy, early marriage, importance of son, lack family status, it means size of family, other poor status of women in society, other high infant mortality rate, mortality means death rate, mortality rate in our society or country. Other factor is economic factor. It is related to economic activity. It means earning activity. Economic factors, there are economic condition, other poverty, other unemployment, बेरोजगारी, lack of employment, and other nature of occupation, what types of job they have to do, occupation. And the last one factor is environmental factor. Environmental factor. There is climate. So students, we are going to describe these all points. Listen carefully one by one and list here. Social factor. These social factors compare to more birth. Illiteracy, it means lack of read and write. No, there is lack of knowledge to read and write. When people they are illiterate, they have not knowledge about marriage age, child spacing, different types of use of contraceptive device, or bad effects of large family, and they compare to more child. Early marriage before the age of marriage, it means our law also granted that 21 years. Before 21 years, the girls should marry in our society in the belief of religious belief that if the girls were married before the menstruation, the family or the parents have place in a heaven. They have छोरीलाई महिनावारी हुनुभन्दा पहिले बिहे गरिदियो भने स्वर्गमा बास हुन्छ यस्ता भनाइहरू. That types of thoughts. And the girls compared to early marriage, sometimes child marriage also, they also categorize. They appear to more child because their fertility age is lengthy. Other importance of son, we know that our country and society is male dominated society. There are more importance of boys or son. And having a desire of son, the female or the family or the couple have to compel to bear more child to desire of son. In China, previous year, in China there is one of the people that Chang Hu, he have 13 daughters, desire of son. So that's why these are the different types of news. We have to see this where there is importance of son, the family couple bear to more child and the birth is going to be high. Other family status, if the family is poor, if they have lack of money, they think, if they are unemployed, they think if they have bear more child, these are the sources of income in their future. That's why they also bear more child. Poor status of women. Yes, we know that our society is male dominated. Here is no urgent for a female, not taken any types of decision by the female. If a female is only the child bearing machine, look after the child. These are the thoughts in our society. That's why women are compelled to stay in their home and they bear to more child. They have no their own thought and they haven't tell different types of their desire to work outside, to bear less child, these types of thing, and they bear more child. High infant mortality rate. So, my dear students, high infant mortality rate जहाँ बच्चा को धेरै मृत्यु हुन्छ त्यहाँ धेरै जन्म हुन्छ. That's भनाइ is like opposite, but it is true. In which society there is more child is going to be die, the insecurity feeling of the parent. एउटा दुईटा बच्चा बढी नै जन्माएर राख्नुपर्छ, that types of thought. And that types of thought compel the couple to bear a more child. So that's why in which society there is more child is going to be die, more infant is going to be die, their couple bear more child for their future secure. These are the social factors which lead the birth high, which lead the birth fertility rate high, and other there is economic factor. Economic condition, the family having more economic status and the family engaged in work, they bear less child, but the family having poor economic condition, for their future secure, they want to bear more child, and they compare to be a child and their birth rate is going to be high. Other there is poverty, garibi. Poverty is sin. Think the poor person, garibi the path, that types of thought. And where there is poverty, they facing different types of crisis, food crisis, cloth crisis, homeless or shelter crisis, these types of. They have not sufficient economy or money to balance for their future, to fulfill their basic needs, extra needs, and they thought if they bear more child, in future time they have to earn and they may be rich at a future. That types of thought also lead couple to bear more child. It also affect our birth. Other is unemployment, berozgari. We know that in our country about 32% of people are unemployed in this modern age also, because there is lack of job resources, lack of job opportunity, sometimes lack of education, there is illiteracy also, there is lack of development also, and they stay at their home. And students, it is so interesting fact that people stay at home for a long time, they compare to their homes. अब घर में बसेछौँ, खाइरहेछौँ, के गर्ने काम छैन, अब सन्तान जन्माउनु त पर्यो, भगवान् के सन्तान ईश्वरको वरदान हो, यस्ता थट्स. Other occupation, there are foreign job, there are home job, there are regional job, there are center job, there are local job. Mainly the people who engage in agriculture, who engage in local job, regional job, they have to stay at their home, but the foreigner, they have to stay out of home. The regional job, people have to stay outside of the home, and in their family there is less number of children, but the people having occupation, types of job, types of occupation like farming, they stay in their home, and due to the occupation nature, they bear more child, and the birth rate is going to be high. Now the factor is environmental factor, that is climate. Students, just think about climate, how it affects the birth. Yes, in hilly climate, cold climate, and in hot climate. In cold climate, the girls are menstruate at the age of 15, 16, 17. In hot climate, the girls have menstruate at the age of 12 and 13. In hot climate, the fertility age is lengthy. In cold climate, the fertility rate is not so lengthy like the hot climate. And due to this, where the climate affect the birth, because hot climates people are early mature, their organs are early developed. That's why they bear to compare more birth, and these are our social factor, environmental factor, and economic factor and environmental factor which affect the birth. Here is a question, 4 marks question. What are the factors affecting birth? And write it, list it, and explain any 5 of them. Students, due to this COVID-19, you have to stay home, be safe, and we have to meet in our next class. Bye. Thank you.